If 10 years before I would have told you that there's a phone which is completely portless, you wouldn't have believed me. But now you have to. So let's begin.
Hold up.
Meizu, a Chinese company that recently came up with a phone that shocked everyone. Asus came up with their phone called as Meizu Zero, and it literally has zero ports in this. Now you must be figuring how were they able to kill it off. Well, they did some implementations which were really difficult, but somehow they were able to do it. First, let's see how they went to move that charging port. They removed the charging port, and instead of that we see wireless charging port that comes with the box of this phone, and it is compulsory as this phone is going to be charged only through that. Other than that, if you are wondering where is the speakers, there are no speakers as well. The speakers are attached to the fingerprint sensor, and this is the same implementation that we saw with the Mi Mix 3 as well. Now you must also be thinking what happened to those buttons. Well, there are no buttons as well in this phone. Shocking na. And we have seen in this phone that there are haptic feedback buttons which are really not buttons, but it lets us feel that there is some button that we are pressing. Other than that, we see an inbuilt fingerprint sensor, and if there is still something left, then yes, it is the SIM card. This phone has also got no port for inserting your SIM card, and you need to use eSIM system, which is basically a system in which the SIM is already installed and you need to activate it by giving a number that is yours on that particular carrier. And what my thoughts are about this phone is this is especially a phone that we can show off with our friends, and it is something that which is going to be cool in the upcoming future, and we need more time to just get used to these phones and implement them in our ecosystem. And if you like this video and if you want more such phones, then please hit that like button, and also make sure you comment your heart out. And that's it for this video. See you, bye bye.